Why do my text messages disappear on Android? There are a number of reasons that may cause the issue. It can be an accidental deletion or loss, recent app updates that affect your text messages, date and time settings on your phone are not updated, an Android system or app version that needs an update, and many others. No matter what the reason is, this video will share 13 effective solutions to fix this problem. Solution 1. Restore lost text messages using Android Data Recovery. When your text messages suddenly disappear, you can utilize a simple and reliable tool called FoneDog Android Data Recovery. Step 1. Download and launch the FoneDog Android Toolkit. Step 2. Choose Android Data Recovery. Step 3. Plug in your Android device to your PC with a USB cable. Step 4. Allow USB debugging mode for your Android device. Step 5. Select the file types that you want to scan from your Android device, such as messages. Step 6. Select the specific files that you want to recover. When done, click on the Recover button. Solution 2. Clear the cache. Go to the Settings app to clear storage on your Android. Solution 3. Run the device in safe mode. Unlock your Android device. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Then tap on Restart. Wait until your Android device is done with the reboot. Solution 4. Verify the date and time. Go to your device settings and update the date and time, setting it to automatic time update. Solution 5. Check the message settings. In some settings, when the limits are reached, the messages that are old are automatically removed. Solution 6. Wipe cache partition. You can visit the official manufacturer website of your Android device on the key combination to press for booting your Android to recovery mode. Solution 7. Restart your Android device. Restarting the device will release the memory, free up space, and end the processes. Your data will not be affected. Solution 8. Force stop the Messages app. Try to force stop the Messages app and see if the issue will be resolved. Solution 9. Uninstall the recent updates. Sometimes the recent updates, which are downloaded and installed for the Messages app, can affect your text messages. Solution 10. Reinstall the Messages app. Try to reinstall the Messages app to get the newly deployed updates and fixes from the developer. Solution 11. Switch to a different text messaging app. If the issue still occurs, try to switch to a different messaging app for your text messages. Solution 12. Update the Android OS to the most recent version. Update the Android version of your mobile device to get the most recent fixes and updates that you need to install on your Android device. Solution 13. Submit feedback to the developer. Go to the Messages app and find the entrance for help and feedback to submit your problem. Above are all the common solutions for you when your text messages disappear. It is highly recommended to regularly do a backup of your data from your device in times of accidental loss or deletion. If this video is helpful, please feel free to subscribe to our channel for more tips.